Malemgi atai mafam singda pangthok nabagum ngasi Manipur dasu Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na sinduna celebrating biodiversity haiba wakhalonda World Environment Day gi thoram pangthokre. Ngasi Langthawalda leiba Maharaj Gambir Singh Park ta pangthokkiba mapum oiba thoram aduda Chief Minister N Birena luchingduna u chara kaya thaki. Makha tarakpada N Birena Mantri Pukrida leiba Rani Gaidilung Park amadi Polo Ground manakta leiba Bir Tikendrazit Park tasu chatuna u chara kaya thaki. Manipur Lenga ki Directorate of Information and Public Relation DIPR na sinduna ngasi kay Shampata leiba loisha ngasi ki officer World Environment Day gi thoram pangthokre. Biodiversity de hena meeting thamduna pangthokkiba thoram aduda Health and Family Welfare Minister L Jayanta Kumar, DIPR gi Director S Balkrishna amashung IPR gi Commissioner M Joy na luchingduna u chara kaya thaki. Miyoibada mahausana piba kanabasing asi aikoina amuk manghannaba hotnagumsi haina Forest Environment and Climate Change ki Minister Awangbong Niumaina phongdokre. Wafam asing asi Sanjentongda leiba Forest Head Office ki Main Conference Hall da pangthokpa Protected Areas of Manipur koba documentary film ama miyamda phongmagi thoramda phongdokhibadi. National Mission on Himalayan Studies ki meeting makhada Nature Learning Center na sinduna pangthokpa World Environment Day and documentary film release tawbagi thoram aduda Forest and Climate Change ki in charge supuriba Additional Chief Secretary M.S. Khan PPCM ke Angami Shu saruk yakhi. Imphal West ki Maitramda leiba UNACO School asi COVID-19 leina na sokalaba miyoi sing khaktagi oiba layeng sing ama oina semgatle. Athuba matamda mathau tawba horagani haina Health and Family Welfare Minister L Jayanta Kumar na thajaba pikre. Manipurda hauzik faubada COVID-19 positive oiba apunba masing chama kunmari yaukibaga loinana active case masing marfutaruk shukre. Amaromda layeng badagi fagalaktuna discharge tawkiba masing na kuntra nipani. Hauzik su makha tana tongan ba quarantine center singda leiriba masing yamlaba inmate sing test tawduna leina asi leiribra leitabra haibadu khangdokpagi tangai fadaba adumak leiri.